In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to HubSpot. Connecting these two tools lets you get important HubSpot updates right where your team is already working in Slack, which can save time and keep everyone aligned. Start by opening app.slack.com in your browser or launch the Slack desktop app if that's what you use. Make sure you're in the correct workspace since apps are installed per workspace. If you don't have permission to install apps, you may need an admin to approve the installation. On the left sidebar, look for the More option. It typically sits below your channels and direct messages and may appear as a grid or three-dot icon depending on your Slack version. Click that to expand additional options. From there, choose Tools. This opens a menu that surfaces extra features and shortcuts inside Slack. Next, select Apps. This takes you into the Slack app directory where you can find integrations that connect Slack to your other tools. Use the search bar at the top of the directory and type HubSpot. You're looking for the official HubSpot app published by HubSpot. Click into it to review what the app does and the permissions it needs. This page explains how the integration posts notifications, syncs data, and lets you take certain actions from Slack. Click Install. Slack will begin the process of adding the app to your workspace. On the next screen, click Add to Slack. This confirms that you want to connect the HubSpot app to the workspace you're currently in. If you manage multiple workspaces, double check that you're adding it to the right one. When prompted, click Sign in to install. You may be asked to authenticate with Slack, and if required, sign into your HubSpot account to authorize the connection. Review the requested permissions carefully, then continue. This authorization allows the app to post messages and interact with HubSpot on your behalf as designed. Once the installation completes, you'll see HubSpot listed under Apps in your Slack sidebar. That's a good sign everything went through. If you run into an approval screen or a permissions error, it simply means your Slack admins control app installs. Send them the app link so they can approve it for the workspace. And that's it. You've connected Slack to HubSpot by opening Slack, navigating through More tools and apps, searching for HubSpot, installing it, adding it to Slack, and signing in to complete the install. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother workflow with your HubSpot updates arriving directly in Slack.